Good evening. It is Thursday night around 6:30. We made our way to Hollywood Studios. The plan for tonight is to get a drink, go on a ride, go see Fantasmic. We'll see how it goes. I'm excited. Nice little night at work. Let's go. We went to the Sunshine Day Bar. We're getting blackberry moonshine lemonade. Here it is, the blackberry moonshine lemonade. So good. I love it. It is 6:56. Let's see if I can get on by 7:45. Let's go. Perfect.
Can you all hear me? We're back in the van.
That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Mickey and Minnie's was fun. Now I'm on the search for a little snack or a bite to eat. I went to Backlot Express and got buffalo fries. They just look okay. And the Rum Island Freeze. We got the seats. Just gotta wait a half hour for Fantasmic. I would definitely get this again because I can taste the alcohol, unlike the moonshine. I'm excited. I haven't seen this in maybe 2 years.
As it can be, they're leaving friends, then somebody dies unexpectedly.
You might think you're so powerful. Well, this is my dream. Don't set the water on light.
Fantasmic just ended. We're heading out now. We got to go on Mickey and Minnie's, had a couple drinks, had a snack, and saw Fantasmic. It was a great ending of the day. Until next time, bye!